Hello friends, I bought this, which is table from Walmart, and let's unbox it. All put together. This. One small table for doing videos or something. I think you just screw it. Like here. Because of your holes. Let's do it this way. One leg in. This way. Cute, 2 legs in. Now mess here, have to do that cleaner. Now this one. Looks like this. When I will have small tape. Maybe even a third tape. I don't know yet. Let's put third leg. Maybe I cut this video because it will be too long. This is how I look. Nice. But where to put it? I also got something like this from Walmart, which is stuff that you can put things inside. Let's open it. It's by brand Mainstays. collapsible storage Ottoman. And then it's like this. Zipper in bottom. That I will close. Today is super hot and humid that it's tiring to do anything. It was not bad, but now it's humid. And I think it comes with this. Oh yeah, and you put in bottom. Okay, like so. I will put it here. I will put socks inside because I have some socks. So let's do it. I have this kind. Which I could unbox actually. Winter ones. Slouchy socks. Another short slouchy socks. Wow, this one are summer, but they look like super hot. This wow, so many socks. You have to organize them all. Too many. Night ones. Winter ones. Night ones. This one's also winter. Slouchy ones. Oh gosh, I'm hot. All winters. These are winter. These are winter. This summer. This needs to be washed. At least I think so. Summer ones. Then I also got this one's Avia. I can put them here. They broke, look. No, because they broke. Finland. Winter. Summer but hot. Don't like these ones. Winter. thick, but some of it. Summer, but only one. Wait a second. Here. This one just for summer. This one's a winter one. To put them together. Wow, so many socks. This one don't have matching this. And then I found some other ones that I bought in Walmart. This super shop. Here. And I found some short ones for summer in the Walmart. Cushion, cotton Walmart socks. Also I bought them. All thing I put here, I think, for now. And I will cover it with this. And here I can sit. For example, when I record videos, I can sit on this and put my tape in front and do something that way. I have more Nike one in this bag. I don't know where to put many socks. This going to the trash. These are new ones. Let's put them together. Then another socks, tired of socks off. Remember, these are short ones. Let's open this too. Wow, many short ones. Summer ones. Not bad. Then what else we have here? This looks bad. I throw them away. Black socks. Are you team black socks or white socks? Because I was team white socks, but I bought some black ones too. What else to put in this thing? I think this things for camera tripod. This is already full. One will be on top. These ones go here because we are summer. This is trash. This goes here. These are my shoes that I washed. And they look like this. You keep this forever. So 2 new things in my room, this and this. Still I don't know where to put the table.